was probably after about Michael Jackson when I really started to first get into music, and I was dancing in diapers to Michael Jackson, and then from there it kind of sparked my whole imagination and influence of just getting into music and dancing as it is. I act, I also do music, I write music. On my site, thedocumentary.com, I actually have a video coming out and a song coming out. It's called Elevator Music, which kind of is a little bit of both because, you know, I look at myself kind of as like a singer and kind of also as, you know, an artist or a poet, because that's how I look at rap, as a poet, and I'm writing constantly. I'm big on being creative, innovative, and you know, motivating people through my music and through my words and through my writings and even through pictures and different gestures that I might have. So, you know, as far as hip-hop, it's really a big thing to me because it's music, and music is what's moved me. It moves me, you know, and it eventually leads to dance for me. I don't know about y'all, but I get my groove on. As far as realizing when I first had a passion for hip-hop, for music, was when I was brought in front of the audience of my fellow teammates. I was fortunate to get a full scholarship to the University of Connecticut, and we actually had what was known as freshman skits then, and I actually had to perform in front of them. And my first year I did so well that the coaches and my teammates actually made it a tradition that I do it every year. So for the whole rest of the 4 years that I was there, I actually performed at the end of camp for my teammates and for my coaches, and some of them even said that it was the only reason why they got through camp. As far as my on-camera experience, I took acting classes. The first time I did actually take acting classes, my instructor was actually blown away because I had the script. It was actually a commercial, and I totally blew her away because everyone went out of the room, and I was sitting there just kind of getting everything down, and we could have used the paper, but I didn't. I actually put it down, and she was like, "You don't need the paper?" And I was like, no, I'm good, I'm good. And I sat there, and you know, I got animated as I normally am and I normally do, and she kind of just clicked the camera and came from behind the camera, was kind of like, "Are you sure this is your first time actually?" And I was just like, "Yeah, it was, but I've been doing it since I was a kid. I've been a character since I was a kid, so."